17 4-stroke 110 EFI Outlaw versus the Zook LT80. So I let him pick, and he says LT80 instead of the Polaris because he knew it was a 2-stroke. Well, I told you could pick either one, except for that one.
Oh, okay. Well, then
and you didn't want to ride this.
Yeah, I do. I want that one. So you can't have.
No, okay.
I'm just kidding. Fuck that.
If you guys didn't see what happened with these, check out the video because it was pretty.
I'm getting a little spicy now too. I'm this
a little spicy. Performance Agam battery.
Oh shit! You gonna race that? You're racing that one?
That's for you when you kill the Suzuki. When you kill that automatic, bro.
I ain't gonna kill it.
So he's a little too tore up to drive anyways, but I'm gonna let him try and put this battery on. Daggum, bro. I think there was chemicals in that.
I'm trying to take a nap. Just let me do me.
When you get up, we'll ride.
Can you just let me do me?
Yeah. All right, now step on the rake and hit yourself in the face with it.
I'm not gonna do that. You're asking me to die?
But dude, I'll smash any cardboard box. You better believe it.
Yeah.
This one fired right up. Now, starting the Suzuki LT80. All right, we could do this all day. Let's get the starting. Throttle hangs, boy. You want a bucket?
This is the one where the throttle hangs? Great.
I think so, dude. Look at. Oh, no, it ain't.
Hell yeah.
No, the one that the throttle hangs is the one with the busted fender. But this throttle does hang a little bit. All right, 10 more times. Watch you turn the choke off. Throttle stopper? Come on, man. Look, no excuses. This shit ain't gonna start, guys. Look, the race starts in 20 seconds. I don't give a fuck if Blake ready or not. 8, 7, 6, 2. Keep her going now. You flooded her or started. Dude, she ain't smoking no more. I might have a daggone race on my head. Oh, she dying. He's got it good to go, guys. It was 4 minutes, 40 seconds. That's all it takes to start a Suzuki. So let me tell you something. If you're looking for ease of starting, the fuel injection. If you want to build some daggum character with your kid, get him an LT80. And he'll have hell starting it. Make a man out of him. This one won't donut as good. I'll run you over when you wreck. Come on, Buster. You're gonna go first, and I'm gonna try and pass you. Okay. And then we're gonna. Okay. Okay.
All right.
All right. Suzuki's faster. It ain't smoother though, boys. Better suspension, dude. You cheating fucking hoe. You cheating little bitch. He fucking cheated. I got his ass. I got his ass.
got so
Listen
warm,
to this,
I had
boys.
to take it off choke.
No. You gotta go first and have the inside. Quit hoeing. This is how the LT80, you put it in reverse. Oh, he's gonna go half a second before that.
Clutch is going out of that.
Well, you gotta get her locked out.
Alright,
Quit
okay.
fucking wagging it, dude. He hadn't locked the clutch out the whole time. That's the wreck, guys. Oh my god. Alright, guys. Give me it. Let's see if you can get a lap without me passing you.
Oh, dude, I get
Keep blowing it.
Oh, shit.
He keeps blowing it.
Oh shit! He almost went in the fence.
Perfect corner this time. Oh, look
Oh shit!
What? What do you want from
I do want to really fuel injected. Blade burnt up my clutch, you guys. Back to low speed.
Oh, wow. There she goes. There she blows. Ghost ride the whip.
Don't let out. Don't muff out. It's two-stroke.
Have you ever seen me let out of anything?
No, don't let out, though.
Oh, I won't.
Not this time either, though.
on. Wait right there.
No, 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 no. Wait right there.
Okay.
Let me get square with you. Whoa.
Wait, hold on.
Well, hold on now.
Wait, hold on. Wait right there. Hold on. Let me get square. All right.
No. Okay. Ready? 3,
2.
in the front so you catch the bumper in the teeth.
Wait, I wasn't ready.
Your count.
All right. 3, 2, 1.
Don't you get me backwards. Okay, I won. At least you spun the tire. Sorry. Sorry. At least you spun the tire.
Sorry. My bad.
Sorry. Go down, you might feel a...
Help me.
You gay ass, dude. Some LT80 guilt-free pleasure, boys. It doesn't get any funner.